Hi friends and welcome. My name is Regina and today on Leelalicious I'm showing you how to cook black beans in the pressure cooker. I'm including instructions on how to soak the beans first or how to cook them from dry. Both ways work, but I recommend one over the other and I'll tell you why. This black beans recipe is just one of many from my latest e-cookbook, Best Instant Pot Recipes. Check out more details on how to purchase the book from the link in the description below. Since I've discovered how easy it is to make black beans in the pressure cooker, I've completely stopped buying canned black beans. Let me tell you the 3 reasons why. First of all, it's very economical. 1 pound bag of dry black beans costs as little as 1 can of black beans, sometimes even less. But that 1 bag of dry black beans ends up making at least 4 cans worth of cooked black beans. The second reason I love this recipe is how fast it is. Of course, you could also make homemade black beans on the stovetop. It's also very economical, but it takes a lot of time. And the third reason I love this home-cooked black bean recipe so much is that it gives me the option to soak the beans first before cooking them. Canned black beans are usually not soaked prior to cooking. And for me personally, and actually my entire family, we have noticed that black beans or any legumes are actually so much easier to digest if we take the time to soak them first. Alright, let's get started by sorting our beans. Pick out and remove any broken or misshapen beans and any pieces of debris that shouldn't be in there. Then optionally soak the beans in a large bowl of water overnight for about 12 hours. Then drain off the soaking water and rinse the beans. Also rinse the beans if you're cooking them without soaking. Then add the beans to your pressure cooker and fill the pot with plenty of fresh water to cover by about 2 inches above the beans. Now I like to get a head start on seasoning the beans. You can cook them with only water or just a bit of salt, but I also like to add half an onion, 2 to 5 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a teaspoon of cumin. Then close the lid and turn the pressure valve to sealing position. Cook the beans on high pressure, 11 minutes for soaked beans and 30 minutes for unsoaked beans. Add 4 to 10 minutes if you're at high altitude. After the cooking timer is up, let the pressure release naturally for about 20 minutes, then quick release any remaining pressure. Open the lid and discard the aromatics. I love serving just cooked beans with some fresh chopped cilantro. Or if you want to store the cooked black beans for later, divide them into 1.5 cup portions. This is about the same as 1 can. And then place them in the freezer. And this is what 1 can worth of home-cooked black beans looks like. I store the beans divided up like this in the freezer, and then I move them into the fridge the night before I plan to make a recipe to defrost, and then they're ready to use just as easy as a can would be. Thank you so much for watching and cooking along with me. Please check out my ebook, Best Instant Pot Recipes, for more delicious Instant Pot recipes at your fingertips. It features all of the best and most popular Instant Pot recipes from my blog Leelalicious, as well as completely new recipes that you will love as well. And included with every single recipe is a detailed video tutorial guiding you through the entire cooking process. The ebook is downloadable onto your phone, laptop, tablet, whichever is most convenient for you to have in the kitchen while you're making the recipes. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite recipe to make with black beans? Please like and share this video, and I will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye for now!